Hi guys, welcome to this week's segment of The Cultural Marketer, and today is another lesson on WeChat basics. How do you find and subscribe to WeChat official accounts? So official accounts are like Facebook branded pages. So these are accounts that are registered by businesses. So usually all of us use WeChat for the messenger service. So we're talking with friends, family, and colleagues to stay in touch, and it acts as a messenger service. But the other function that a lot of people use WeChat for is to follow WeChat official accounts. So how do you find these accounts if you aren't currently following any of these accounts? So you can see from the list that I have open here that there's brands like Prada, Mac, Rolex, Shiseido, Valentino. So, and even a folder for subscription accounts. So for those that have followed our videos from before, service accounts are mainly used by overseas businesses, and service accounts are the ones that you see right in your chat screen. So the one for Valentino, the one for Rolex, these show up right on my chat screen, right? So you can see I'm in chats. And other accounts that are mainly based in China that post more frequently, sometimes on a daily basis, are in your subscriptions folder. So the subscriptions folder you can see here is in blue. So if we tap into that, you're going to see the different subscription accounts that I'm following. And you can see all the news updates there. Now, the key question we come back to is, how do I find these WeChat official accounts? Well, let's go into the search bar. So if you go into search bar and then let's say you type in a brand, let's say I type in Nike. Okay, so if I type in Nike, I'm just going to move this down. So if you type in Nike, what you're going to get is the official account. So you can see that there's a verified badge and there's the registered badge next to the account there. So if I tap into the Nike official account, you'll see that, oh, okay, like I'm currently not following it, so you can tap to follow it. There you go, and then you're going to get a welcome message. Okay. Awesome. So if you go back, you're going to see that if you search Nike, the official account comes up. And then let's say we try to search for another brand. Let's say it is Rimowa. So it'll pop up the official account I'm already following. Yep. So you're going to see the official accounts. And let's say I tap more. So you're going to get all the official accounts that have Rimowa in the name or are related to Rimowa, and you'll see that not all of them are verified, right? So you want to look for that check mark to ensure it is a channel that is verified before you follow the brand. So let's test another one before we wrap up this session. So if I put in Dior, you'll see that again, the verified Dior channels will have that verification badge and the registered badge. So you want to follow accounts that have that official registration. So that is how you find and subscribe to WeChat official accounts. If you're only using WeChat for Messenger, there are a ton of different functions that you could be leveraging the platform for, and we're going to show you more in upcoming sessions of our WeChat Basics series. And if you like this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.